up, y'all? It's your boy Just Detail Diamonds. We're back with another one. Chelsea, what's good, bro?
What's good,
Let them boys know what's good, man. You know what's good. We are out here again. It's one of our maintenance clients we're working on today. Just wanted to show you guys a step-by-step process, what we do. We see her typically once a month. I believe she had to reschedule, so it's probably been about 6 weeks since we seen her. So all we're really going to do is we're going to do the seats slightly. We're going to do the vacuum, work on the carpet slightly, wash the outside, put some wax on it. This detail honestly should take us probably about, I'll say 40 minutes, just because we see this car so often. So we're going to go ahead and get into this right now. Chelsea, do you have anything you want to say to the people today, bro?
Well, we out here getting it done. This is our last car for the day, possibly. And we're gonna just put the work on as we usually do it diamond land, diamond way, and just get it done.
Yeah, for sure.
Evan's made another one.
Hey Justin, so what would you say is the difference between detailing in the winter versus the other seasons?
Oh, okay. So detailing in the wintertime, I would say that all right, so if we talk car wise, the paint is definitely cooler. So if you try to do any type of correction, it's definitely cooler and more ideal to do it on colder paint anyway. So wintertime, you definitely get that. Something that you get with the wintertime as well, which I would kind of look at as a negative, is when we're performing like our seats, cleaning our seats and our interiors. Sometimes because it's not so hot, it takes a little more time to dry. But I think that's why we're going to invest in some car fans and things soon, so we can place them on the inside. If there's anything the weather can't handle, the fans will as well. But as far as summertime, the business definitely increases as far as the clientele wise that comes through the door. Summertime is always a little busier, but I think we prepare for it when we're in our winter seasons and just try to like craft our processes, just try to dot our I's and cross our T's. So the seasons change, but we just got to stay committed, you know?
Okay, so when it comes to business, is wintertime slower than every other season?
I've been doing this for about 5 years now. So what I have seen is during the winter time, the clientele and the calls, they do slow down. But like I always say, that's why it's a great thing to have a maintenance plan, because we keep a book of business and we keep clientele that rotates over on our schedule. And one of the strategies that I like to try to do in the winter time is I try to get a little more intimate with the maintenance clients. Example is you know how we rode on Miss Shelby the other day, and her paint, she just got that new car and her paint needed a little touching up. So most of the time in winter time is where I try to attack my clientele with the add-on services, like the things like polishing headlights and just fine-tuning their vehicles. So wintertime is really essential for that, because business slows down sometimes. But as far as us personally, we do get less calls, but like I said earlier, because we have such a big book of business, we really just keep going, you know.
Yeah, so sometimes in winter, a lot of detailers, they'll say, oh man, I can't do no business because it's too cold. Sometimes it drops in the 50s and they're saying it's too cold to come out and do anything, even though they may have clientele. What are the strategies do you implement to basically still get out there, even though it's getting really cold and it's basically freezing your fingertips off?
Well, for the winter time, of course, we try to layer up as best as we can, because we know that once we start working and the blood starts to flow, we honestly come out of the things that we're wearing. But you always want to wear layers. One thing that we do the business wise is on a lot of our maintenance clients, we may switch to like a more wash and wax type of strategy in the winter time, so our hands aren't as cold with all the water from the hose and things like that. So we might switch to a little more wash and waxing. If we can try to get into some garages, we try to do that as well. But yeah, you definitely just want to have different little things that you implement in the winter time just to keep you going, because the money won't stop, you know. Though the calls slow down, people still want their cars serviced. So you want to make sure that you have a system that can be able to cater to those people who still want wintertime detailing.
Evans made another one.